Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your saved credit card numbers in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize and manage various aspects of your browser, including your saved information, privacy settings, and more. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar. This is where Chrome organizes all its different setting categories for easy navigation. In this sidebar, click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is specifically designed to manage all the information Chrome saves to help you fill out forms faster, including addresses, passwords, and payment methods. After clicking on Autofill and Passwords, you'll see several options related to the information Chrome can save for you. Click on Payments to access all your saved payment information. This is where Chrome stores your credit and debit card details to make online checkout processes quicker and more convenient. Now you'll see a section labeled Payment Methods. Under this section, all your saved credit cards or debit cards will be displayed. Each card is listed with some basic information like the card type and the last four digits for security purposes. This gives you a clear overview of all the payment methods you've saved in Chrome. To view the full details of any card, locate the card you want to check and click the three dots beside it. This will bring up a small menu with options for that specific card. From this menu, click Edit. Chrome will now display the complete details of your saved card, including the full card number, expiration date, and cardholder name. You may need to enter your computer password or use biometric authentication to view this sensitive information depending on your security settings. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your saved credit card information in Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.